Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Kasibuana Kapamilya Kapuso. And Kasibuana Kapuso Kapamilya, please like my YouTube channel. I hope this helps also to T1 visa processing. Once your petition has been submitted to USCIS in Dallas, Texas, the processing time is expected to take up to 6 to 7 months before receiving an approval later. Sometimes the waiting of an approval can go over that based on USCIS. So in my part, guys, my fiancé submitted the document to USCIS is June 19, 2018. And then this is the USCIS sent us the receipts last June 22, 2018. We call this NOA1, or we say Form I-797C, Notice of Action. So I wanna explain to you guys in Filipino so I can express my knowledge about my submission of our documents. And here, guys, I want to show you the receipts the USCIS after receiving the documents on payment that we sent to them. So the received the document June 19, 2018. Then the notice received of my husband is, or my fiance, is June 22, 2018. So this is the document, guys. This is a sample that we received. Here it's receipts number. This is the receipts number. I will not show you guys because this is confidential, so I hope you understand. This is the NOA 1, guys. This is look like. So makikita nyo ba na 2018 talaga yung nag-process yung fiancé ko. Then we wait until January. We received the approval, guys, is January 14, 2019. So how many months? Is almost 7 months. This is the NOA2, guys. This is the NOA2. This is a NOA2, guys. I hope you see it. So that's the approval, guys, that it stated that valid until May 13, 2019. So 7 months talaga, guys, yung waiting namin ng fiancé ko for approval. And we are not stop communicating each other, especially in our phone calls, Facebook, what else, postal letter. My fiancé sent me package during the time of the period of 7 months. So that's the time also that we can print it during my interview. So guys, after that, after I received the NOA2, pag-receive ko dito sa NOA2, guys, ang ginawa lang ng husband ko or ng fiancé ko, sinescreenshot niya lang, guys, at sinisend lang niya sa akin. Ito lang yung photocopy lang talaga ang nasa akin, na colored printing lang ang ginawa ko. So hindi naman niya ito pinadala yung NOA2 sa Philippines. Madali lang ang processing namin. Ang ginawa namin, guys, after I received this, we are waiting for the Manila case number. So pagkatapos ng NOA2, guys, maghintay pa kayo ng Manila case number para mag-proceed kayo for St. Luke's medical examination and US Embassy interview. So dapat hintayin mo nyo muna yung Manila case number. Ito yung sa Manila case number, guys. The Manila case number, guys. Ito ang Manila case number. Ito yung mukha ng Manila case number notice, guys. Ito yung hihintayin mo para mag-proceed ka ng appointment for St. Luke's medical exam and then the US Embassy interview. So, na-receive po namin yung Manila case number is February 8, 2019. So, guys, before I proceed to St. Luke's nag-appointment, gumawa pa ako ng DS-160 at saka before ako nag-St. Luke's appointment and US Embassy appointment. So, yan guys, ang timeline ng ng processing ko ng K1 Fiancé visa. Ang hirap talaga guys, especially kung nagtatrabaho ka and then your fiancé wants you to be with him. So, ang hirap for my part, nahirapan ako during that time. At sometimes nga hindi ako makatulog eh. So, kasi iniisip ko kung ma-approve ba kami o hindi. So, you have a lot of worries when the approval na hindi pa ninyo na-receive. So, kaya naintindihan ko kayo if ever na nagsastruggle kayo ngayon, if malayo kayo sa fiancé ninyo or boyfriend ninyo. I hope this process it will help you guys because na-approve ako dahil dito. Ang importante kasi guys na marami kang dala or preparado ka during your interview. Kasi pag hindi ka preparado guys, parang maraming question. So, like me, kunti lang question ko guys. Pero kailangan din ninyo na mag-prepare for your interview. That's the timeline guys. And my next video is about another document to prepare. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. God bless everyone.